bet you're wondering, aren't ice scrapers just for snow? Who said that? I sure as heck didn't. All jokes aside, can I share something with you? I have a lot going on in my day today, a lot of stuff to get done. And like most of us, you know, everyone has a lot of things they need to get done that they feel is high priority. Unfortunately, everything cannot get done at one time. You have to prioritize and be realistic about what you're going to do. Sometimes we get overwhelmed in our heads with what we have to do. What I have learned to do is just stop and breathe. I just have to tell myself to stop and breathe. Sometimes it's a little easier than others, but the moment I just stop, take a deep inhale through the nose, hold it for a few seconds, and exhale out of my mouth. I do that a few times, and you know, that breathing technique helps. It slows down everything, and I start to reprocess the thing that has the priority. And sometimes it doesn't even start with the thing that's a priority. It's just coming out and doing something like this.
So yeah, we'll have to analyze it like you said. Bends from like this point up here, we can fix no problem.
Gotcha.
Let's just see how this flat part goes all the way down to the center of the barrel there.
Okay.
So that's what's going to make it a pretty challenging.
That's gonna make it tough. Okay.
Yeah. So we'll check it out and see if it's something we can fix. If it is, we'll let you know. Otherwise, we may have to look into maybe a refurbished replacement or something like that for you.
Yeah, these things are, and that's an actual competition wheel. So
yeah, and you know what? On the plus side, it's just the back.
Yeah.
You know, with these, typically you don't see them bend that much because you've got so much support from these spokes up there.
Don't know exactly how to feel about that, but I am quite sure either decision will be the right one.